Semiconductors power everything, from consumer devices to automotive systems to advanced computing platforms. The industry is experiencing unprecedented growth, with global sales projected to reach $1 trillion by 2030. And while technologies like AI contribute to this momentum, today's fabs ultimately rely on something more foundational: clean, stable, and precise power. Inside the fab, consistent power delivery is essential. Front-end processes rely on stable, low-ripple power to maintain uniform plasma conditions and accurate ion implementation. Back-end test environments depend on steady voltage control and long-duration stability to screen devices and ensure reliable performance. As manufacturing advances, power quality becomes a critical factor in achieving yield, repeatability, and long-term device reliability. This is where AMETEK programmable power stands apart. Our portfolio, SGX, SGA, HPX, and ASD-FLX series, delivers the stability, accuracy, and scalability advanced fabs demand. Our platforms scale from 4 kilowatts to 30 kilowatts per unit, can be paralleled to 150 kilowatts, and with our HPX systems, reach up to 240 kilowatts to support the industry's most demanding high-power processes. In plasma etch and deposition, our solutions help maintain consistent chamber conditions. In ion implantation, they support tightly controlled beam energy for precise dopant placement. And in back-end burn-in and automated test, AMETEK delivers rock-solid reliability. As global fabrication capacity expands, with 43 new fabs projected or under construction in 2026 across the Americas, Europe, and Asia, AMETEK is ready to meet this demand, backed by proven performance across leading semiconductor manufacturers and a portfolio built to scale with next-generation requirements. AMETEK programmable power delivers the precision, stability, and reliability that power the world's most advanced semiconductor manufacturing. Trusted today, ready for what's next.